Say hi, Stel. Let's go see what Andrew's up to. So we're picking up the fender roller for Sam's car because, well, the slamming it down on jack stands just didn't work very well. So we'll end up rolling the fenders on that, and hopefully we'll be getting everything smoothed out.
Do you know what you're doing?
I do not know what I'm doing.
Oh, when are you doing it?
Tomorrow.
Oh, do you want my help?
Do you want to help?
Yeah.
Okay. He has a nice big project ahead of him for spring, so hopefully we can get it looking like that by the by Gatlinburg again.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's wish him luck. I'll link his channel down in the description below. He should be posting time lapses and all sorts of fun stuff on that.
And Instagram.
And Instagram. I'll post the Instagram. Yeah, check that out. That'll be fun. We'll be working on that for a long time. Long time. Let's take a look at his wheels. It's quite jacked up because the motor's out of it. If you have any questions on his build, please make sure to comment below or go follow his channel. He'll be happy to answer any question. So we're back at Sam's and we're gonna roll the fenders today the right way. So yeah, we're gonna get it jacked up and
hopefully we don't make these fenders look like bacon today.
we're in his garage, so the lighting isn't the best, but we'll make do. So we recruited someone. We could welcome Andrew Schulteis again.
Yeah.
He actually knows what he's doing.
I thought providing the fender roller would be enough, but apparently not.
So right now we're heating it up to 130 degrees, where that'll give us enough heat to prevent cracking of the paint. We're almost there. We're at about 120.
And this is a rare scene of Sam actually working on his own car.
Yeah, no shit. I have to make sure I get this on video.
Why?
We have evidence that you actually do it.
My bad. Alright, give it a little more pressure.
How to bacon your fenders up. 101.
I like it crispy.
Man, this looks like shit.
So we didn't get to finish out the video at the garage. The overall outcome turned out pretty good. So he's not rubbing too much anymore. We did remove the fender liners in both front wheels, and he is still rubbing on the fender liners in the rear. We're actually going to start looking at bagging it. So we may be able to bag it for under $500, hopefully. But we'll see how that goes. Now the new camera is the Canon G7X Mark II. I did not go with the Mark III due to some autofocusing issues that I've seen. Yeah, I can do 4K video, however I just decided to buy this one brand new. It's a proven camera. So yeah, it's a nice expensive toy, but I just decided to dive all into this vlogging thing. I am getting some support so far, so you know, some people are trash talking it, saying it's stupid or lame or whatever, but I am getting some support from other viewers. I'll keep pushing forward with it and hopefully it goes well. And don't forget about the giveaway, guys. I'll be giving away something car related, whether it be a roof wrap or some lug nuts or something ESR branded or even Region Wrap branded. We'll see what it is at the 100 subscriber mark. Have a good one, guys.